Hi parents, this is Elena, and today I'd like you to explain how to use in the best way ChatGPT to create a home practice for your child. Tips and tricks, something interesting. I hope it will be a very educational, interesting for many parents. So before we begin, I'd like to tell that I will be giving a lot of maybe extra information. So every parent who doesn't use chat or doesn't know like how to create some basic maybe things for other parents can also do and follow. So in the chat, you have a very interesting area which is called projects. So I love them because this is exactly what we need to create the best possible experience for our child to have a home practice. So what you need to do, you need to create a new project and you need to name it in a way which is comfortable for you. And if you have several kids, you can use the child name and something like this. For example, I had Mark's learning body. Let's have like a Mark's learning hub. So we create a project, and in the project, you have two interesting areas where you need to invest a little bit more of your time. So the first area is adding files. So for example, you have from school some book, or you have some printouts, or you have some information how a teacher specifically teaches your child, or you have your own files that you think will be very beneficial for your child to use during the practice. So please upload here. These files will be used during the whole study process of your child in this project. Um, Also, a second part is adding instructions. Adding instructions is basically telling chat what you as a parent want to do, something very specific for your child. I will be giving right now an examples how I would build this for my child. And to build an instruction for our project, we are going to just open a just simple chat, new chat, and give and ask to build an instructions. So here what I prepared already and copy paste it right now. So help me to write instructions for a new project inside ChatGPT, which I want to create for my child, 9 years old, to practice different subjects. I put it in UK primary school system, but in reality I'm the Netherlands. But to avoid any complexity with Dutch and English language, and I want to make it as simple as possible for parents to understand the system. So I put it UK primary school system. It's important to tell about what country you are in, because this will help chat to adjust explanations, which can be a country specific for different subjects. So what to know about Mark? Here you need to give a context. You need to describe your child in the best possible way so the chat will adjust. I put something that I added for my child. Mark will be practicing math and other subjects, UK educational curriculum. Mark likes praise and fun. Mark knows English. Mark attention span is low. He has ADHD, so he can engage for like 10 minutes or maximum 5 to 10 exercises per session. Mark likes cars, racing, and unicorns. Mark is very competitive. Mark struggles with verbal communication, so for him, it needs to be more explanation. I also added for myself, as a parent, I want to have a report at the end of the study with suggestions on next steps. So let's see, right now, chat will be generating an instructions for us, which we are going to copy into our project. And then our project will be a very fine-tuned, very specific for a child. So if you have two kids, you definitely need to create two projects, and every project is a specific place for your child to practice, with a very nicely adjusted everything for specific of your child. So perfect. Let me copy this instruction and paste it into the project. So I copy it. I go right now to my project, which is called, I don't see it here, strange. Let's go New projects. Maybe I just need to refresh it. Let me see. Yes, we have Mark's Learning Hub. So instructions, adding instructions, copy paste, perfect, save. So instructions given, and now let's see how it works. Another important thing to mention, there is a study and learn mode. This study and learn mode is fantastic. So it's already prompted so well with the knowledge of so many teachers, and it was released, I think, in July or August in ChatGPT. So they've done a lot for you. So right now you don't need that much. Let's see how it will play with the first task. There are two options here. If you just know what your child right now is studying, you can just prompt and ask for this specific learning practice built for you. If you don't know or you have difficulty explaining, you can also attach photo or files and add what your child brought from the school. So then the chat will build the practice based on the photographs or on the file you attached. So let's make it very simple. Let's for the purpose of this video. So let's say Mark, okay, create a practice for Mark to learn times tables 2, 3. Yes, fantastic. So you see that it is very conversational. It uses what I put, room mark, basically mark like racing and cars. So chat tries to make it very engaging and very specific for Mark, which is amazing. Let's say the reply, which is correct reply, and see how it goes. As you see, even with the right reply, chat will give you an explanation why it is the right reply and also encourage you pace lap 1 like a racing champion, like using everything that I put there that Mark likes, competition, he likes praise. So this is why we have this. Next one is 6. Let's see also how it goes. Amazing. 9. Okay, and then 12. Let's reply incorrectly here. Almost. Yes. They explain me why it is not right. So 3 times 3, 5 times 3, 15. Amazing. Also, they repeat again the mistake, so you can once again reply correctly before going to the next one. And then perfect. And the final lap will be okay, 21. And it should be giving me right now the full results of the practice because practice finished and I asked it to give me a reply. So quick race report for Mark. You got 6 answers right. The tricky was this one. You're remembering 3 times table really well now. Okay, and then they are suggesting should we continue or should stop and celebrate. Okay, let's select celebrate. Fine. What will be here? Woohoo, celebration time. Yeah, your prize, golden grace medal with unicorn wings. So yeah, I think this is just absolutely fantastic, very targeted, very simple, very conversational, embedding everything that my son likes. What is also fantastic, it remembers your conversation. So the next time, tomorrow, for example, you will come to this practice of Mark's Learning Hub and you will see what you practiced before, and you can even tell. So you see, this is our practice, and you can even tell, can you continue the practice that we stopped? So it has memory, it has fantastic explanation, it has fantastic personalization. I think this is just such an amazing I don't know, time saver, and just the best tool right now for parents to use with these small tricks and tweaks. So you can definitely make a learning at home fantastic and free. Yeah. So happy to share my knowledge, and yeah, share what you built and anything that comes along. Yeah, share with me in your comments. Bye bye. Ciao.